In the bustling world of finance, expertise alone rarely guarantees success. It's a fast-paced environment where knowledge and skills are essential, but they are just the starting point. The real differentiator often lies in the connections you build and the relationships you nurture. Imagine this: two equally skilled analysts vying for a coveted promotion. Both have impressive resumes and a track record of delivering results. Yet their approaches to career growth are starkly different. One diligently focuses on their work, putting in long hours and ensuring every detail is perfect. The other, while equally dedicated to their tasks, actively cultivates relationships, seeks out mentors, and offers help to colleagues. They attend networking events, engage in meaningful conversations, and build a web of professional connections. Who do you think has the edge? The answer might surprise you. It's not just about who works harder or who has the most impressive skill set. This isn't about playing favorites, it's about the power of connections. In the world of finance, who you know can be just as important as what you know. Building a strong network can open doors that you didn't even know existed. The analyst who invests in their network gains access to valuable information, recommendations, and opportunities that wouldn't cross the desk of a lone wolf. They become the go-to person for insights and advice, and their name comes up in conversations about new projects and promotions. This, my friends, is the power of networking in finance. It's about creating a support system that can propel your career forward in ways you might not achieve on your own. It's not just a buzzword, it's a game changer. Networking can transform your professional life, providing you with resources, guidance, and opportunities that are otherwise out of reach. In an industry driven by relationships and trust, a strong network can be your most valuable asset. So invest time in building and maintaining your connections. They might just be the key to unlocking your full potential. Networking, in its essence, is about building genuine, mutually beneficial relationships. It's not just about collecting business cards or adding connections on LinkedIn. It's about creating meaningful interactions that can lead to long-term professional growth and personal satisfaction. It's about connecting with people who can offer insights, support, and opportunities, and who can help you navigate the complexities of your industry. These connections can provide you with the guidance and resources you need to overcome challenges and seize new opportunities, while also being willing to reciprocate. It's a two-way street where you also offer your own expertise, support, and opportunities to others. This mutual exchange is what makes networking so powerful and effective. In the financial sector, this translates to staying informed about industry trends, understanding market dynamics, and being aware of the latest financial products and services. It's about being in the know and staying ahead of the curve, accessing potential clients or investors, and building relationships that can lead to new business opportunities. These connections can be the key to unlocking new revenue streams and expanding your business, and even finding your next career move. Networking can open doors to new job opportunities, career advancements, and professional development. It's about being in the right place at the right time and knowing the right people. Think of your network as a web of interconnected professionals, each with their own unique experiences and perspectives. This web can provide you with a diverse range of insights and ideas that can help you grow and succeed. By tapping into this web, you gain access to a wealth of knowledge and potential that would be impossible to achieve alone. It's about leveraging the collective wisdom and experience of your network to achieve your goals. Remember, networking is a two-way street. It's not just about what others can do for you, it's about how you can add value to their lives and careers as well. This reciprocal relationship is what makes networking so powerful. It's not just about what others can do for you, it's about how you can add value to their lives and careers as well. By offering your own expertise, support, and opportunities, you can build strong, lasting relationships that benefit everyone involved. So take the time to build and nurture your network. Invest in these relationships and you'll find that they can be a powerful lifeline in your financial journey. Whether you're looking for advice, support, or new opportunities, your network can provide the resources and connections you need to succeed. So, how do you build a powerful network in finance? Start by nurturing your existing connections. Reach out to former classmates, colleagues, and professors. Attend industry events, conferences, and seminars. Don't be afraid to strike up conversations. Remember, every interaction is an opportunity to expand your network. Be genuinely interested in others, ask thoughtful questions, and listen actively. Offer your help whenever possible, even if it's just connecting them with someone in your network. Networking isn't about collecting business cards, it's about building authentic connections. Be yourself, be genuine, and focus on building relationships based on mutual respect and value. In today's digital age, online networking is just as crucial as in-person interactions. Platforms like LinkedIn have become essential tools for connecting with professionals in your field. Optimize your LinkedIn profile to showcase your skills, experience, and aspirations. Join relevant groups, engage in discussions, and share insightful content. Remember, online networking is not just about broadcasting your achievements, it's about engaging in meaningful conversations and building relationships virtually. Use online platforms to connect with people you meet at events, follow up on conversations, and stay on top of industry trends. By leveraging the power of online networking, you can expand your reach and connect with professionals across the globe. Section 5. The Art of the Follow-Up. Networking doesn't end with a handshake or a LinkedIn request. The real magic happens in the follow-up. After meeting someone new, send a personalized email or message, reminding them of your conversation and expressing your interest in staying connected. Share an article they might find valuable, or invite them for a virtual coffee chat. The key is to stay top of mind and nurture the relationship over time. Remember, networking is a marathon, not a sprint. Consistent and genuine follow-up is what transforms casual connections into valuable relationships. Section 6. Crafting your financial brand. Now let's talk about personal branding. In the competitive world of finance, it's not enough to be good at what you do. You need to stand out from the crowd. Your personal brand is your unique value proposition, the distinct combination of skills, experience, and personality that sets you apart. Start by identifying your strengths, passions, and what makes you different. What are you exceptionally good at? What are you passionate about? What problems can you solve? Once you have a clear understanding of your unique value, you can start crafting your personal brand message and sharing it with the world. Section 7. Amplifying your brand. Visibility and engagement. Building a strong personal brand requires visibility and engagement. Share your insights on industry trends, write articles, participate in webinars, and engage in thought-provoking discussions on social media. Become a valuable resource for your network by sharing your knowledge and expertise. Remember, the more you contribute to the conversation, the more you'll be recognized as a thought leader in your field. Don't be afraid to showcase your personality and let your authentic self shine through. People connect with people, not just resumes. So let your passion and enthusiasm for finance shine through in everything you do. Section 8. Authenticity, the cornerstone of your brand. Authenticity is paramount when it comes to personal branding. Don't try to be someone you're not or misrepresent your skills and experience. The financial industry is built on trust, and any attempt to fabricate your brand will eventually backfire. Be genuine, be transparent, and let your true self shine through. People are more likely to connect with and trust someone who is authentic and relatable. Remember, your personal brand is a reflection of who you are both professionally and personally. Embrace your uniqueness, let your values guide you, and build a brand that truly represents the best version of yourself. Section 9. The enduring impact. Building a strong network and personal brand is an ongoing journey, not a destination. It's a continuous process that evolves over time, requiring dedication and strategic thinking. It requires consistent effort, genuine engagement, and a commitment to adding value to your network. This means actively participating in industry events, staying in touch with your contacts, and always being on the lookout for ways to help others. But the rewards are well worth the investment. The relationships you build can lead to unexpected opportunities and collaborations that can significantly impact your career. A strong network can open doors to new opportunities, such as job offers, partnerships, and even mentorships that can guide you through your professional journey. Provide valuable support during challenging times, offering advice, resources, and encouragement when you need it most. And accelerate your career growth. Promotions, raises, and new responsibilities often come to those who are well-connected and highly regarded in their field. A compelling personal brand can differentiate you from the competition, making you stand out in a crowded marketplace. It's about showcasing your unique skills, experiences, and personality in a way that resonates with your target audience. Attract new clients and collaborators who are drawn to your expertise and the value you bring to the table, and establish you as a recognized leader in your field. Being seen as an authority can lead to speaking engagements, media appearances, and other opportunities to share your knowledge and insights. So, invest in your network, cultivate your personal brand, and never underestimate the power of connections. They are the foundation upon which successful careers are built. And watch as the power of connections propels you towards greater success in the exciting world of finance. The journey may be long, but the impact is enduring and transformative.